up guys, this is my very first video on my channel. I was planning to start my own YouTube channel for a long time, but due to all kinds of distractions, especially due to procrastination, I didn't start it. Well, here I am, I finally started. On this channel, I'm hoping to share some tips and tricks about personal finance, business strategies, investments, technology, AI, and also about wealth creation. In simple terms, everything about money or everything about wealth. Hope you will subscribe to my channel and keep watching. I'm hoping to give away some money to my subscribers, but for that to happen, you got to tune in and make this channel grow. Well, as for me, I'm Mario De Livera, a PhD student working on my thesis in the field of management of finance. Throughout my career, I've been an entrepreneur, business owner, and an investor. I've also been a software professional, project manager, market research coordinator, as well as history lecturer. I've also been fascinated by the world of finance and business, and even for my PhD, I'm researching and conceptualizing the impact of corporate incentives towards the human behavioral patterns. Throughout this channel, my goal is to provide valuable knowledge and information, tips and tricks, and various strategies to help you achieve your financial goals and success. I'll be posting regular videos on topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and many more methods of achieving your financial goals and dreams. I will also be sharing my own personal experiences on my financial journey, along with the successes and the failures that I've had, in the hope that you can learn from my experiences. If there's anything valuable to you that I could leave you on this video, is that if you have a dream and if you have a goal, just start taking action without thinking too much and without waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time doesn't exist. I've been guilty of doing that, and that has set me back many years. So that's part of the reason why I'm shooting this video right now, because I waited for the perfect time to start the YouTube channel and wasted so many years. If you're interested to learn more about personal finance, business, investment strategies, and wealth building, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'll see you soon in my next video and hope you will be part of my journey in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.